Black workers comprise 13% of the labor force. Only 5% of those are chief executives. Of the Fortune 500 companies, Black CEO representation is at an all-time high. Did y'all know that? All-time high at a whopping 1.6%. So the highest it's ever been, and we're still not at 2% of executive leaders. What we have in Black in HR is just that, tons and tons of executive leaders, people who are running their spaces very well and are teaching you how to do the same or how to climb the ladder to do so. If you don't want to climb the ladder, you happy where you at? Fine. How do we get you more money? Right? How do we get you a better title? How do we do lateral moves that organizations have bigger visibility, mobility in the nation? That's what Black in HR does.